In this video, I'm going to show you how to get and use the recall wrench in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So let me quickly show you. Now this has just been added to the game, and the way to get it is actually you're gonna have to walk up over here to the gear shop, and I'm actually holding the wrench in my hand right now so you can know what it looks like. And when you come to the gear shop, I don't think it's that rare, so let's just take a look over here. You talk to Alois, and then you click on show me the gear shop. And now in here, as you can see, you have different things, and in here as the third option is the recall wrench. Now you can buy this for 150,000 per one, so as you can see, it costs 150,000, and then what it does, it teleports to the gear shop, and when you buy it once, it has 5 uses. So right now I have 13 uses, as you can see, which means I have like 2.5 wrenches. So if I go to anywhere in the map over here, there's no teleport button, but if you want to actually teleport to the gear shop, you now can using this recall wrench. So just equip it like this. I have it in my hand right now, and then just click on it with your left mouse click, and there we go. I've just been teleported to the gear shop as well as to the pet shop because it's just next to it over here. So that's pretty much it. That's how to get it and how to use it. It's actually quite convenient, so I always like to keep it over here in my inventory in the hotbar. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.